Hey my internet friends, recently I published a new video. My website are hacked. That means if I try to open my any domain, any kind of domain, and it's redirect to another apps link, something like it's redirect to something like this page, and I really don't know how to fix that. But now I just got some tricks, and I think this trick is working as well, and I will also try to showing you how to solve like this type of problem. Okay, let me check that first. Okay, so just what you need to do first, just you need to copy this. I will give you this code. Just check my video description and just paste here. And when you paste here, and what you need to do, just you need to input your affected domain name. Alright, so if I go to my website, like, and I open a new tab, and just what I need to do, I just go to here, my cPanel, and click on this subdomain or add-on domain. So just click on this. I just open into tab, and here as you can see, this is our add-on domain. So I just copy here this add-on domain name, because I think this domain is now affected and virus. I'm just thinking about like this. Okay, so I just what I need to do, just view source and paste here our website name. Just copy here the name and again paste here. And when I paste here, just I need to click on enter. And when you click on enter, then you will see lots of code. So if you're not finding out like this malware redirect URL, no problem, I just share the tricks. That means when I just input here like this URL, I open this and I just stop loading. Stop. Okay, now stop. Now I just stop this loading, and as you can see here, and a simple code here, and then redirect, let's make party3.car, something like this. So just what I need to do, I need to copy here the URL, like the domain name, full domain name. I just copy here the full domain name and paste here. I just paste here. Okay, and I just press here keyboard F3, and when you press here keyboard F3, then you'll see the search option of here. And what you need to do, recently you copy a link like URL. Basically when my website fully load, and that time it's redirect this page, and when this page are loading done, then automatically open in new tab. Let me check everything. I just again go to my website, and as you can see, my website now done loading and redirect these pages, something like this, targeted pages. So I just paste here the domain name, and when I paste here the domain name, as you can see, it's already including 107 times. Okay, so as you can see, the link relationship, something like this, and then the loss of link, same link, just same link. As you can see, the lots of link here. So how we can remove this? And just also I need to check this all subdomain. As you can see here, the subdomain total, all subdomain. Just again I need to check the all subdomain. So I already check all domain. As you can see, I already check all domain, but my only one website affected on this virus. So just I need to remove that thing. Okay, I just close all tab now, and this is just I need to this page only. Okay, so now what I need to do, just I need to find out here the database name. What is this website database name? So click on this file manager option and open your domain. Basically here, I think my domain here, and here or just where. Okay, so I need to click on this wp config and click on edit. Again click on edit, and just I need to find out here the database name. Here this is my database name, wp731, and I just open it to the I just open here the my php myadmin. Just click on here and open a new tab, and here as you can see the all database of present here. Just I need to find out the specific database. I think this is our your developer website database. I just click on this database, and here as you can see the lots of data and lots of table. So just click on this search option and input here our targeted keyword. I just copy here the targeted keyword and go to here again and press on here like this, search, and click on select all, click on go. And as you can see the 0 matches. So if I scroll down the below, then you'll see he total got 2 matches, something like he got a 2 matched file. So if I look something like this, as you can see here the browse option. So if you see like these type of matches, so you can easily find out here. If you not find out here the browse option or delete option, so just click on F3 button and browse here BR. As you can see, when I input here BR, then you'll see this browse option. So what I need to do, just to browse that thing, open here. As you can see here the 2 table are present here, and it's site URL and the home. So don't delete that thing, just you need to remove this URL. Don't delete this thing because this is your home page and this is your site URL, so don't delete that thing. So let's click on this edit button and open a new tab. Is if you want to get, if you get something like this type of error, you cannot find out and your website are hacked now. So if you got any kind of problem, WordPress problem, you can easily contact with me. I will try to help you in the lowest cost. Just you need to click on here the edit option. So when you click on the edit option, so then you will get something like this. Simply I need to delete that thing and save. I just going to save that thing. So click on this go. Alright, so again I just reset here, reset, not reset it here. So I just reload, I just delete that thing and click on go, and everything as well. I think I just trying to check that thing is working as well or not. Just copy here URL and open a new tab or open a new window. I just paste here the link, and as you can see I got an error, and I got a new error. When I paste here, I got a new problem is database established and it's redirect the new pages. So again I need to find out that thing, and I think that problem not gone, but what I just I just input here my website URL. Again I just click on here the edit and I just replace here my website URL of here, and let me check that everything working as well or not. I just click on this go, and I think this problem coming from my theme option. Okay, let me check again. I just copy here that thing and again paste here and reload. That means I want to check again my website view source code. I'm just saying like a view source code, and as you can see one thing now gone, and again I just input here and try to input the URL, hacker URL, but as you can see now everything safe. I think now everything safe. So if I reload it into my another tab, okay, new tab, paste here, I think my website now safe and I already deleted that thing.